I'd like to show you how to directly apply the JCE files from Oracle for the Java JDK in order to increase the encryption possibilities for the keystore behind SecureAnyBox. To do that, I have already gone and downloaded the JCE from Oracle. You ought to be able to do that by querying Google or Oracle's website directly for those. They're just called JCE for the JDK version 8 policy files. Once you have those, copy them onto the server where you're running SecureAnyBox, which looks kind of like this. In my home directory, I have the JCE policy 8 zip file, which, as you can see, is very, very small. The next step is that we ought to stop SecureAnyBox before we copy these files, but let me show you where they're going to go. They go under opt, TDP by default, SecureAnyBox. If you chose a different install location, this base may be different for you, but this is where it is by default. Then JDK, JRE, lib, security. Inside here there are a few different jar files already. So the US export policy jar is one that we're going to be replacing. To see what we could replace, let's just quickly look inside the file itself. You can see inside here we have a policy jar, another policy jar, and a readme text file. So nothing too fancy. All we need to do is extract that. So we'll do unzip that file. Actually, I'm going to use -J to get rid of paths. And I really only want jar files. I don't want the text file. So you can see, oops, I've got to be a little more careful. Put quotes around things because it's a good idea. Prompts you, do you want to overwrite? Yes, yes. Now you should see that I have different dates on the US export policy and the local policy jar. They're actually older dates, but that doesn't really matter. The fact is these are stronger, more powerful files. So where before in my system, if I pull it up, I go to configuration, I have this warning about JCE files being older. Now, if I restart the service, once it's back up, we should see that that warning has gone away. So I should have logged out, but oh well. Go ahead and log in. Go back to administration and configuration, and you can see the warning is gone. So we've successfully applied the JCE files to make SecureAnyBox more secure. That's all for now.